Why using PPE inside the factory? Using personal protective equipment, PPE, inside a factory is crucial for several reasons. 1. Protection against workplace hazards. Factories often have various potential hazards, including falling objects, chemical spills, electrical shocks, loud noise, airborne particles, and more. PPE acts as a barrier between the worker and these hazards, minimizing the risk of injuries, illnesses, or accidents. 2. Compliance with safety regulations. Many countries have specific safety regulations and standards that require employers to provide PPE to their workers. Compliance with these regulations is essential to ensure a safe working environment and avoid penalties or legal consequences. 3. Preventing injuries and illnesses. PPE is designed to protect workers from specific hazards that can cause injuries or illnesses. For example, safety glasses or goggles protect the eyes from flying debris or chemicals, gloves protect the hands from chemicals or sharp objects, and respiratory protective equipment safeguards against inhaling harmful substances. 4. Enhancing worker productivity. When workers feel safe and protected, they can focus on their tasks with peace of mind. PPE instills confidence in employees, allowing them to work more efficiently and effectively. 5. Minimizing downtime and costs. Workplace accidents or injuries can result in significant downtime, medical expenses, workers' compensation claims, and increased insurance premiums. By using PPE correctly, the risk of accidents and injuries is reduced, resulting in fewer disruptions and financial losses for the company. 6. Creating a safety culture. By prioritizing the use of PPE, a company demonstrates its commitment to employee safety. This promotes a culture of safety within the organization, where workers are encouraged to take responsibility for their own well-being and that of their colleagues. 7. Preventing the spread of contaminants. In certain industries, such as pharmaceuticals or food processing, PPE can prevent the contamination of products by ensuring that workers do not introduce foreign substances or pathogens into the manufacturing process. Overall, the use of PPE in factories is essential for safeguarding workers' health and well-being, complying with regulations, preventing accidents, and maintaining a productive and safe work environment. Thanks for watching.